Here I have Motorola Moto G60s, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first let's open settings, then go to the sound section, sound and vibration, advanced, phone ringtone. You can select one of these pre-installed ringtones, you can select none of these ringtones, you can add your own ringtone by just selecting audio file from your phone's memory. I'll just go and select one of these pre-installed ringtones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.